How to turn off active status on Facebook. So if you want to disable your active status on Facebook to know whether you're online or offline, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off active status on your Facebook account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook app. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. On Android, go ahead and click on the menu icon at top right. And on iPhone, click on the menu icon at the bottom right here. So once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Facebook menu page. And on the Facebook menu page, just need to scroll down. And then click on Settings and Privacy to make the expansion. So once this page expands, go ahead and click on Settings. Now, under Settings and Privacy, scroll down the page. Keep scrolling until you get to Audience and Visibility. Under Audience and Visibility, locate and click on Active Status. Now, once you click on Active Status, okay, it's true when you are active and then disable this. Then should support that says Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, recently active, and in a chat with you. So go ahead and tap turn off. Then you're good to go. So with that, your active status on Facebook will be turned off. So that is basically how to turn off active status on Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.